PV modules encounter numerous severe challenges throughout the entire life cycle of a power station. Heavy snow in winter, hail in summer, bumpy long-haul transportation, and non-standard installation operation. These unavoidable impacts silently heighten the risk of microcracks. Microcracks, known as the invisible killer, cause power loss, hotspots, overheating, and in extreme cases, fires. Addressing these threats has become a critical challenge. AIKO N-type ABC modules, designed to resist microcracks, set a new standard for power station safety. The silver-free metal coating enhances the density and toughness of the copper material. This prevents burn-through and damage during the coating process. AIKO replaces the conventional zigzag soldering with an innovative single-side method, ensuring uniform ribbon distribution on the cell's rear side. This greatly minimises the risk of microcracks, establishing a new level of protection. PVEL testing shows that AIKO N-type ABC monoglass modules are 5 times more reliable than dual-class TOPCon modules in extreme weather conditions, providing comprehensive protection for your investment returns. N-type ABC, safeguarding your station, empowering your transformation to a carbon-free society.